Hello, my name's James Young. I'm teaching dry lining for the ASQ. We're over in Nigeria, and I'm really pleased with the standard of the students we've received. Their English is very good, and they are so keen. I'm finding it hard to keep up with them. They are doing very well, and there's no reason they should not go on to become teachers and teaching Nigerian people dry lining, which will be a bonus for the country. And these guys seem very keen, so I'm very pleased. Right, with the students, their teaching qualification, they will be very good, and it will be recognised all over the world, so they'll be able to travel, and also they'll be very good at the standard of practical, which hopefully next year I could come back and maybe teach level 2, and we can extend the programme. They will all be relevant in what they're doing, and even if the trade is not for them, the teaching quals will be useful anywhere in the world.
You have to pour it first of all. You have to paint the first coat. After then you pour it.
You can do it both ways, yeah? If you put the paint on first, we call it a mist coat, which will show you any imperfections. Then you can polyfill it. Then you sand down gently, then you put your next coat on, okay? But if you wish, you can polyfill it first, yes? We're doing this because the way the materials arrived. Only reason. Thank you.
Good afternoon and welcome to the Painting and Decorating Department. My name is Robson Wilson Gilroy. I've come here to train the guys. We are doing a level 1 qualification in painting and decorating. Today's task was to prepare a wall. They light sanded this wall, creating a key. We moved on to practicing with a roller on top of the key to make a mist coat. As we walk into the learners' cubicles, you can see the guys have started on their back wall, learning how to cut in on the bottom and on the sides. Across here is one of my learners rolling now how we do it. This qualification for these guys is so important, yeah? It will develop them and give them the skills to go out into the outside world and develop more skills. If you look in this corner, the guys have been shown how to prep their walls, and you can see he is filling in with the paste. We mix the paste in small dishes and then apply it to the holes or any marks on the walls. This is where we're mixing the paint. We have made a small makeshift paint booth so the guys can add and mix the amount of paint they require to paint for today one wall. Yeah? As I say, it's a very important qualification. Everybody is working very, very hard. Tomorrow we are in the theory class where we'll be learning all about what we're doing and we're moving forward, the work we will be doing. Here is Marie. Marie is filling in all the little holes that she has prepared, made good. If the screws were sticking out, Marie re-screwed them and filled them. That's what she's doing now. In this one, the chap is now filling the holes, but he has already painted his back wall. This is the plastering department. Thank you.